parents, guardians, and sponsors.
Hello guys and welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video mga ka-subscribers ay pupunta po kami ngayon sa Quezon Convention Center dahil ka-graduate na po si Ate Abet for 26 years of commencement exercises with Maryhill College. And so aalis po muna kami mamayang 12:30 PM. Yan, so magsisimula na po ang program of 1 PM po. Yan. So, nagmamarcha na po kanina pa po. Yan. So, malilate po muna ng konti kasi po ay ang dami pa pong mga estudyante na naglalakad pa po. So, it means 1 hour pa po sila matatapos po kahit hanggang sa mapupuno na po yung mga chairs po. Yan. So, tara! Let's go!
A few inches later.
Yan, so nandito po kami ngayon sa Quezon Convention Center. Yan, so makikita nyo pala sa TV screen, yan, may naka-live coverage na po pala sila ngayon.
His Excellency, Most Reverend Reverend Louis P.T., CEO of American College and the Bishop of the Diocese of the Center, the Vice President for Administration, Reverend Father Ulu Macaray, Vice President for Academics, Dr. Lawrence Ormin, our Vice President for Finance, Sister Aoy Branya, MCSP, our student administrators, respected deans, school registrars, our guest speaker. Congratulations, March 2026, and God bless you and protect you. Maryhill. To deliver an inspirational message.
Thank you. This exercise. Good afternoon to everyone. And congratulations, first and foremost, to your parents, and of course to you graduating students.
And to the distinguished President of Maryhill College, Reverend Father Alaniel Aquino. To the insightful school chaplain, Reverend Father Rolando M. Pamiliano.
Mendoza Margaret Cook, Maryhill District Marian Community Service Recognition. The graduates of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, May 2026. Giving Daniel Ray and Romo Lawan is also recipient of the following awards: Leadership Award and Marian Community Service Recognition. Mendoza Jomar James R. Romo Lawan is also recipient of the following awards: Marian Leadership Awards College Level and Marian Community Service Recognition. Noah Joseph Vincent T. A recipient of the following awards: Marian Leadership Awards, College Level, and Marian Community Service Recognition. Paolo Reggie B. Social Media B. With academic distinction. She is also a recipient of Marian Community Service Recognition. Baba Grish, Mary C. With academic distinction. She is also a recipient of the following awards: Special Citation in Research, Special Distinction in Internship, Marian Leadership Awards College Level, and Marian Community Service Recognition.